Yeah, the G4 is kaput. His sprocket just unscrewed. Okay, so we got it in. So what have you done, my friend? Bro, you brought a bomb from the communist era. It's working! Bring some towels! You're gonna... Let's go to Diddles! It is working! Yeah man, the GoPro is working. So, as you might saw, yeah, the G4 is kaput. So I'm gonna ride it because I have less weight. Yeah, he's gonna destroy my suspension. Please don't go over jumps. It's not made for you. You're gonna drain my battery. Fuck. I don't care actually.
Turn line, so
you turn light. So yeah, you know how to go right on the M4. You know which is the back brake, the front brake. First you have to press. Holy twerk! So yeah, the front wheel is just kaput. We have to drive extremely smooth and not with a lot of speed and bumps. Wait, now go. You see, professional driver on the F4 Max. After this, okay. Oh, chévere. Opa. Wait, so what actually happened? Why was bro so scared? Look, I can do bunny hops on the G4. Just not like that because... So yeah man, I got that on camera. So yeah, this is the outcome. Yeah man, very good lighting. As you see, his sprocket just unscrewed itself. So this should be like uprighted. What the fuck? Okay, so the problem is that it's not deflating, unscrewing. So this is the G4 without tuning. Tuning.
Hey, we got the music going on. We got the contraption trying to get it.
Right now I'm just burning his tire off.
Yeah, professional mechanic.
Yeah, basically we just want to do this.
So show them what we've done in the past hour.
Technology.
Watch out, we gotta put the spring on.
Yeah, but you know how, no? You gotta screw them back in, put the string, apply pressure, and then oh, no.
No, we assembly it here, and we just
look at this, yeah? How?
pressure.
With how? Oh, danke schön. Look at my hands. I mean, we have to put this spring on, but we can't really.
Three hours later.
Okay, so we are finally back another day. We
So clean.
yeah, we kind of repaired it. Yeah, not you need some grease right there, you know, for it to function. Okay, so we're gonna put it back. Maybe I don't know. Okay, so we got it in. Now let's see if it's still working. Do the honors, my friends. Do the honors. Let's see. It looks okay. It feels softer. I mean, the travel and all is okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah guys, actually we are gonna repair the G4 for a second time because the suspension broke again. You see this bracket right here? I mean, I don't know what's the proper name, but this was unscrewed the first time. So when I repaired it, it was not screwed enough, so it broke again. Yes. So basically, we are gonna fix it with some rope. So hopefully that will stay, because we have no other choice until the new spring comes. Work in progress here at the workshop. Bro's playing music on the GPL.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Alright, bro, so we got here the suspension. Oh, we got a little bit of problem with the music because copyright, but I don't care. So this is the G4 flat edition, yeah? Right? Okay, so we gotta lift it up. We gotta lift it up.
Watch this. Watch this movement.
Oh.
Look how hard.
Parking brake, man, parking brake. Oh, Jesus Christ. So, yeah, so we have here the suspension. Just, it's like in a plastic wrap. Okay, so we got here the suspension, right? We need to unscrew this. Okay, so we got here the screws, right? So, this no problem, right? This no problem, just not two, 1x. Okay, so these two no problem, yeah, you see? But this one a little problem, you see? So
Just a little problem.
the adapter brackets are not like, they are 9 millimeters, and I think this is 10 millimeters. So yeah, we got a problem. So this was a simple, easy fix, but no, my guy wanted another suspension, so we got the second one here.
And this is a special suspension for KuKirin.
So this
man.
should be.
The adapter.
Oh yeah. So you want to do the honors and the unboxing?
Well, I paid.
Oh, by the way, the wind is blowing extremely fast outside. Yeah. So let's see if there is a difference. Let's see.
I guess there is a difference. I mean, maybe.
A little bit of
Just
difference. I mean,
maybe.
you look at the height is the same, but compared, yeah, you
The
see.
spring. Watch.
But
the
you
spring.
see, it's the same. It's the same shit, but the adapter is smaller. Just
No,
look. Just look
this
at the.
is smaller. Like this
Just
is not made.
yeah,
for
but look at the ring. It's the same. It's the same. It's the same. It's the freaking same.
But
Yeah, unleash the beast, man. Unleash the beast.
it's obvious, man.
Also, WW Akai. That one. So this is the test. Oh yeah, this is the test. It's holding. A little bit too hard, but it's okay. So
The battery is gonna fall out.
We fixed. Oh, and by the way, KuKirin didn't cover this because KuKirin doesn't send you the freaking invoice. So yeah. So basically, if you did not understand what happened with the old spring, so it untightened itself from the vibrations. That's the G4 suspension quality. I mean, overall, it was a good suspension. It has fulfilled its job, but now it's gonna go to the trash. So what have you done, my friend? So yeah, basically I don't know how exactly, but he got unlucky and got a puncture from a freaking aluminium thing. Like I don't understand what is that supposed to be and how did it even get on the road and into my friend tire. But yeah man, things happen. God damn it guys, so I cannot end the video about the repairing of the G4 because it's broken again and again. Like it broke again, yeah, but it's broken again and again. You fix the suspension, the light is not working. You fix the light, you get a puncture. You fix the brakes, the battery just goes kaboom. Yeah, so basically I don't know how he could do that, but he kind of got. We have here a repair kit and some things, and also we have a new mic. Yeah, so better audio. Bro, you brought a pom from the communist era. Okay, you film. Are you sure that it's here? Yeah, I got it in.
Welcome to Brazil.
So now we put DD paste. Oh god damn! DD paste! I'm trying, but it's not fitting. It doesn't fit. Enough, Didi. And now we put it like here.
Yeah.
Yeah! I got it out.
Fine.
Let's mix chemicals.
If you wanna do DIY, do it on your friend's scooter, cause why not?
I mean, it's
Rubber on rubber.
we have access to the Didi paste too. Let's see. It's not working. It's working.
Yo, de acolo.
God damn. God damn. Bring some towels. You're gonna. The music is so peak at this moment. Wait. We spilled some Didi paste. Not. It's not that deep, bro. It's gonna wash with water. God damn it. It's gonna make it stronger. Yeah. So my friend, what did we achieve? So we kind of fixed the tire. Look at this. Yes, this is just some super glue.
Piece on the tire.
Yeah, so this is the thing.
It should have melted already, but it's...
And look at the G4. God damn it. Goddamn G4. Okay. It's working properly, as you can see. Are you happy? Of course, are you happy? Why shouldn't you be? Fuck. Yeah, it's gonna stay like that. Look at the OTD. So now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna start cutting.
Yeah, don't cut it. No, a little more.
It's okay, bro.
I filmed your hand for like 30 seconds.
It's okay, bro. I've done this before. It's a good.
You know when you eat too many drops?
Cough drops.
Yeah, in your stomach it's like
A nuclear power
like
plant.
a magma mixture.
Yeah,
That's what I have inside my tire.
Your tire. Yeah. You have.
It's like from the manufacturer the
special
liquid
paste.
inside
Yeah, the
the
special liquid.
tire, and then I have DD paste.
A
and
lot
then I
of
have
DD paste.
DD glue, and then I have super glue.
And then 2 patches.
Yeah.
One that's
One
roaming
that's-
around.
one that's inside.
It has free roaming, you know, around the country. So this should stay. We repaired the tire, right? It's okay, like it's gonna stay there. God damn. That's unacceptable. Thank you. You see, there are good drivers and bad drivers, like what a coincidence, man, what a coincidence. And it's so beautiful outside. God damn, this tree is getting bigger by the day. Let's go to Diddles. Let's go to Diddles. Where are we, my friend? We are at Diddles.
You are diddling.
You're not. Your handlebar is not tall enough. Doamna, interzis. Tu prosta! God damn! And this is how it should be. Like, it's okay if you leave like this much, like half a centimeter. Gonna bottom out eventually. Now, to complete the project and the video finally, we need to put a cap on.
This video is like...
So yeah, guys, thank you for watching and staying till the end. See you next time. Bye bye.